Hello kids, how are you? I think you all are fit and fine and doing the maths practice at home. Students, in the previous video you have learned what is the fraction and types of fraction. In this video we will learn the addition and subtraction of fractions. So let us move to our video and start addition of like fractions. In example 1, find the sum of the given fraction 7 by 18 plus 5 by 18 plus 1 by 18. All are like fractions. So let us begin how it will be solved. Since these are like fractions, so no need to take out the LCM. So simply we will add the numerators 7 plus 5 plus 1 and write the common denominator as it is. So that will be 13 upon 18. Now let us see subtraction of like fractions. Now see the example. Find the subtraction of given fraction 8 by 9 minus 5 by 9. Denominators are same, so no need to take out the LCM. Simply we will subtract the numerators. Subtract 5 from 8 and write the common denominator 9 as it is, that is 3 upon 9. Students, at last we will convert the fraction into lowest term. If it is needed, then only. Here it is needed, that is 1 upon 3. Addition of mixed fraction. Addition of mixed fraction with the same denominator. Example 2 is to 3 upon 7 plus 5 is to 2 by 7 plus 1 is to 5 by 7. We have to add all the fractions. Dear students, this question we can do by two methods. Here I will teach you both methods. So let us see the first method. In this example all denominators are same, so no need to take out the LCM. Add the whole number and like fraction separately and add their sums. So we will add the whole number separate, 2 plus 5 plus 1 and fractional number separate, 3 plus 2 plus 5. So we will get 8 is to 10 upon 7. Further simplifying the improper fraction 10 by 7 we are just getting here, so we will convert this into again in a mixed fraction. So 8 plus 1 is to 3 upon 7, so total that will be 9 is to 3 upon 7. Now dear friends, we will add all these given fraction in a different method, that is method 2. In the method number 2, firstly we will convert all the mixed numbers into improper fraction and we will add the fractions. So 2 is to 3 upon 7 equal to 17 upon 7, 5 is to 2 upon 7 equal to 37 upon 7 and 1 is to 5 by 7 equal to 12 upon 7. We will add all the numerators and we will write the denominators as it is. So 17 plus 37 plus 12 upon 7. So when we will add the numerators, that will be equal to 67 upon 7. Now convert the answer into mixed fraction. So that will be 9 is to 3 upon 7, or we can say 9 whole 3 upon 7. Now let us move to the next step, that is subtraction of mixed fractions. Subtraction of mixed numbers with the same denominator. Dear students, this question we can do again by two methods. Both methods I will explain in this video. Let us see the method first. Subtract the whole numbers and like fractions separately and add their difference. So we will subtract the whole numbers 4 minus 2, and again we will add this the difference of 5 minus 3. So we will get 2 plus 2 upon 8. After converting 2 upon 8 into lowest term, we will get 2 plus 1 upon 4. Now convert the answer into mixed fraction, that will be 2 is to 1 upon 4. Now let us see the another example with the different method, that is method 2. In this method, firstly we will convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then we will subtract the fractions. So 6 is to 4 upon 5 equal to 34 upon 5 minus 3 is to 1 upon 5 equal to 16 upon 5. Now we will subtract all the numerators and write the denominators as it is, that is 34 minus 16 upon 5, and we will get the result 18 upon 5. Now we have to convert the answer into mixed fraction, that will be 3 is to 3 upon 5. Now addition of unlike fractions. Add the fractions 5 upon 9, 7 upon 12 and 1 upon 3. Firstly, we will write this in the question form: 5 by 9 plus 7 by 12 plus 1 by 3. Students, denominators are different. So firstly we will find the LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators 9, 12 and 3 equal to 36. Then we will convert the fraction to their respective equivalent fraction, and then we will add together. One by one we will convert all the fraction into equivalent fraction. So 5 by 9 is equivalent to 20 upon 36. Similarly, 7 upon 12 is equal to 21 upon 36, and same as 1 upon 3 equal to 12 upon 36. So now all the fractions are in the same denominators. So we will add all the numerators separately and write the denominator as it is, that is equal to 20 plus 21 plus 12 upon 36. The sum of the numerators is 53 and denominator is 36. Now reduce it to the lowest term if possible, and then convert to the mixed fraction, that will be 1 is to 17 upon 36 or 1 whole 17 upon 36. Addition of mixed numbers with the different denominators. See this example: 2 is to 3 upon 7 plus 1 is to 9 upon 14. While solving this question, firstly we have to convert the mixed number to the improper fraction. So 2 is to 3 upon 7 equal to 17 by 7 plus 1 is to 9 upon 14 equal to 23 upon 14. Now we have to find out the LCM of denominators 7 and 14, that is 14. Now convert the fraction into their respective equivalent fraction and we have to add. So 17 upon 7 is equal to 34 upon 14 and 23 upon 14 is equal to 23 upon 14 as it is. Now we have to add both numbers, 34 upon 14 plus 23 upon 14, that is equal to 57 upon 14. Now convert this improper fraction to the lowest term if required, and then convert this improper fraction to the mixed fraction. So the answer is 4 is to 1 upon 14 or 4 whole 1 upon 14. Subtraction of unlike fractions. Subtraction of mixed numbers with the different denominators. Students, see this example: 5 is to 2 upon 4 minus 1 is to 3 by 8. Let us see how we will solve this question. Firstly, we will convert mixed numbers into improper fraction. 5 is to 2 upon 4 is equal to 22 upon 4 minus 1 is to 3 upon 8 is equal to 11 upon 8. Now we have to find the LCM of 4 and 8. That will be 8. Now we have to convert the fractions to their respective equivalent fractions and we have to subtract. So 22 upon 4 is equal to 44 upon 8 and we will subtract 11 upon 8 from the 44 upon 8. So the result will be 44 minus 11 upon 8 is equal to 33 upon 8. Now finally we will convert our answer into mixed fraction, that will be 4:1 upon 8. So dear children, I hope you understood how to solve the addition and subtraction of fractional numbers. Now assignment is given for you. Try to solve these questions at home. Thank you.